Hello, this is my shipment from Mr. Mapel, and it arrived today. I've ordered it some time ago, and it's a Japanese maple, and I'm not really feeling well, but it really needs to be open. I know it's been traveling for a while. This is what the box looks like, and I'm going to try to get it open as soon as possible. Okay, so it's a Acer Palmatum Lileeanne's Jewel Japanese maple. It's pretty big. I was much larger than what I had expected. Okay, yeah, there's the extra large mark there. Okay. Okay. So here she is. One, two. So she's about 3.5 feet tall. Okay, these are her leaves close up. I know she changes um, colors. I know white, pink. There you go. I think it's down here. You can see some new leaves. They're whitish, pinkish, green. It looks relatively happy. I think I'm going to have to get a stick to stake her up straight. And she is a little dry. It came with like something to cover the mulch, but she feels very dry. So I'm going to go in and give her some water. So this is the Lileeanne's Jewel from Mr. Mapel. For those of you who are thinking about ordering, I do know when I went back on the site to check on my shipment, they didn't have any more extra large. They had regular large 1 gallon, and I thought a gallon size was a little bit bigger, but it's not, I guess. And so this is what I have. Mr. Mapel, Lileeanne's Jewel, extra large. And I believe I paid $45.99 for the extra large. I think they were running a sale. Okay. Until next time, my friends. Happy gardening.